If you're seeing the itch.io Econnrefused, don't worry. This usually means your browser or network is having trouble connecting to the site. And in this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right now. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting itch.io loading properly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause this error, so start by making sure your internet is actually working on other websites. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, restart your router and give your connection a fresh start. This simple step often fixes temporary connection issues that stop itch.io from responding correctly. Next, turn off any VPN you might be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with website connections, especially if the site is blocking certain routes or the VPN server is unstable. Disable the VPN completely, then try opening itch.io again. If the error is still there, refresh the page. Sometimes the connection fails only once, and a normal refresh is all it takes to reconnect successfully. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached files or corrupted cookies can cause loading problems and prevent websites from connecting the way they should. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, then reopen the browser and try itch.io again. This step is especially useful if the site worked before and suddenly started showing the error. After that, try using a different browser. If you're having the problem in one browser, switch to another one, like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Brave. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with the browser itself or with the connection to the site. In many cases, another browser will load itch.io without any problems at all. If you're still stuck, go back and test each step one more time in order. Make sure your router is restarted, your VPN is off, your cache is cleared, and your browser is updated and working normally. These simple checks solve a lot of connection errors without needing anything more advanced. And if the error is still happening after all of that, it could be a temporary issue on itch.io's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later may also help. So to recap, when you get the itch.io Econnrefused error, restart your router, turn off VPN, refresh the page, clear browser cache and cookies, and try a different browser. These are the fastest and safest fixes to get you back onto the site. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.